And just like that, through visual magic, I've done all the editing and you get to see a draft copy of my music video clip right now. Here it is.
I wanna thank you for giving me life and making it possible to do what you like. I will give you everything that you need, so prompt me and then you will see. How do I express my gratitude? I am so grateful. So, thank you.
Okay, so there you go. There's the making of the music video clip using Suno for the song and for the audio and the snippets, then using ChatGPT for the characters, images, and the B-roll, and then using Kling and OpenArt to generate the lip sync videos, keeping everything short. That's one of the hacks that you have to accept, is that everything should be shortened. So then a 5-second or an 8-second clip is much better than a 10-second or a 15-second clip, just so it stops the AI from drifting away from the results. And then once you have all of those content together, dump them into a master folder, organize yourself, jump into CapCut, drop them into the timeline, and then work your magic around effects and transitions and just giving yourself a variety of things to add into your timeline, so then it moves and it shakes and it adds energy to keep your audience entertained from beginning to end. Now, if you want to watch the whole video, the link is in the description. If you want the actual PDF for the entire process, it's on my website and I'll put that in the link as well. And if there's any questions or any comments, post them up and I'm more than happy to respond and reply to everyone out there. I thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and share the content. As we continue down the rabbit hole, we are swapping from Suno Simplified into Suno Visualized, and I'm confident I'll see you in the next one. My name is Lewis. Ciao.